Hidden beneath decades of sand and silence, this is not just a truck. It's a legend forgotten by time. Out here in the desert, we uncover a Peterbilt 281, half buried, rusted, and left to decay under the open sky. Every step around it tells a story. The cracked headlight, the rust-eaten grille, the badge barely holding on. When the hood opens, the engine is frozen solid, untouched for years. Inside the cab, torn seats and dead gauges remind us how long this machine has been abandoned. Beneath it all, the frame is scarred, the tanker shell stained by age, corrosion etched into every inch. Measurements are taken, damage is marked, history is confirmed. This is the original Peterbilt 281, the same model made famous in Duke. The engine won't turn, the transmission is locked, the decision is made. This is where the resurrection begins.